Okay, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today, asking what do you need to focus on to bring money into your life today? And the Ten of Pentacles came through. This is all about your focusing on the good life, right? Focusing on the ways that money has come into your life and supported you to create your life right now. Has it bought you food? Has it put a roof over your head? Do you drive a car? Do you have a mobile phone? Do you have the internet? You would have the internet if you're listening to this reading today. Do you have shoes on your feet, clothes on your back? Do you have the things that you want? Because that's the good life, yeah? So, to bring more money in, you need to focus on what you already have and appreciate that. And when you appreciate that, you sit in the higher vibrational frequency of appreciation. And when you appreciate, things grow. So what you appreciate grows. So appreciate where you are, appreciate how much money support you so far, and focus on that, because if you do focus on that, you'll start to see more of that in your life. Okay? So there's my little reading for you. Focus on the good life and all the ways money has supported you. If you've liked this reading, make sure you like it and subscribe and hit the bell notification. If you make sure you hit the bell though, if you want to be notified of when I do upcoming readings and videos. And let me know below, how has money supported you so far? Let me know in the comments below. I want to know. Alrighty, see ya.